This video will demonstrate how to manage follows and followers. First, we're going to click up on our avatar and go to Preferences. We'll go to Follows and Followers. Now I have this one that I want to get rid of. I'm under the relationship of following. I want to stop following this person, so I'm going to check it, unfollow selected users, click OK. This person is following me and I want to stop that person from following me. I'll check followers. I'll locate the person. I'll select remove selected followers and then confirm by clicking OK. This person's no longer following me and I'm not following that person either.